Action.
Action.
All right, so here's the deal. So I built a serpentine out of black steel to be able to handle the high temperatures of a typical campfire, which is around 1200 to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. The basic idea here is air will be drawn into the inlet of the serpentine, run through, back out, up through. What I've used is a dryer duct. So air will run through here and ultimately into this box, which you'll place inside the tent and have a fan right here drawing air in. So the device is placed into the fire pit. Like so. And then the next step will be to place wood and construct the fire so that once the fire burns, the hot coals will settle on top of the serpentine and provide heat to be transferred. Okay, so as you can see, I placed the serpentine inside the fire pit. I've constructed a fire over top of it. Just putting the last couple pieces on here. Next thing to do will be to take the box with the fan up near the tent we have set up. As you can see, it's a safe distance away from the fire, so we want to avoid any potential safety hazards or catching the tent on fire. Now, as a good practice, I think it's best once the fire is lit, don't immediately put the box inside the tent. Let it burn for a while. Turn the fan on outside the tent, make sure that you're not getting any smoke or anything burning. Initially, when we lit for the first time, we noticed smoke coming out of the pipe. I think mostly because it was burning off any residue inside the pipe. So we'll light the fire, let that burn for a little while, turn the fan on, make sure everything is exited the piping, and see what kind of temperature rise we get. So we've started the fire, and while the fire is burning and getting a little bit hotter, building some coals, I'm going to go ahead and kick the fan on, make sure that it's operating properly, no smoke's coming up out of the fan, the vent into the tent, and we'll see how it goes. So again, fire hose going all the way up to the tent. We already have the fan in there. Okay, go ahead and turn the fan on. And we'll let it run for a little while, a couple minutes, make sure no smoke's coming up out of there.